Hi, today we're going to be talking about normal distributions and z-scores. So what is a normal distribution? It's a continuous random variable which is normally noted by a big X that has a normal distribution of its values into a smooth continuous curve. So these types of distributions are normally bell-shaped, and we'll get to why that's important later on. So each distribution has its own mean, indicated by the Greek letter mu, or yeah, Greek letter mu, and its own standard deviation denoted by sigma. So normal distributions have the same basic bell shape, like I mentioned a while ago. And with this bell shape, identifying the normal distribution becomes more efficient and easier. But normal distributions also have properties. So some of them are the shape is symmetric, which is why the bell shape is important, because if you cut it in half, each side mirrors the other. The mean and median are the same and are in the middle due to symmetry. Standard deviation measures the distances between on the distribution, which one uses for evaluating the spread of data. So if you want to know the how far the distances are from each of your samples, the standard deviation would be the way to find that out. Then, based on the empirical rule, 68% of the data is normally in one standard deviation, 95% is within two, and 99.7 is within three. So how are z-scores related to the normal distribution? So when a frequency distribution is normally distributed, we find out the probability of a score occurring by standardizing the scores, known as standard scores or z-scores. The standard normal deviation or distribution simply converts the group of data in our frequency distribution such that the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1. So why should you or anyone care about z-scores or standard deviations or any of this for the matter? Normal distributions and z-scores help you interpret statistical data. So we can really see it everywhere we go. Newspapers, articles, TV, even medicines, as things as important as that. At the back or in ads, there are usually statistical references to show like how it affected these people. So it's really important to know how to analyze that. And it can also help you determine many real world problems, like, for example, calculating for IQ, SAT scores. Lots of colleges look at the normal distribution of SAT scores to see where most of the people fall into. And then also heights in doctor's office. Like, let's say if you were going to the same doctor, like, let's say if you're going to the doctor's office, they usually have a normal distribution or a bell-shaped curve of the normal distribution of heights among most people of your age, and they want to see which category you fall in. So that's all I have for standard deviation today and normal distributions and z-scores. Thank you.